Let's cultivate a sense of together with. It'll help give us relief from that sense that we have to do it alone. We'll start with nature. Nature is trustworthy. We are a part of nature, and it gives us certain things constantly. Gravity, the air we breathe, the trees that are part of our world, and sunshine, which has an effect on all of us. So let's start with something that we don't usually think about: gravity. Just take a moment and imagine how hard it would be to navigate our world without gravity. The astronauts have a real challenge when they are in zero gravity. Here, wherever you are, whether you're sitting or lying down, standing, tune into your body. And once again, ask, is gravity working? How would you know? Let your body feel the relationship between you and gravity. As you raise your hands, you can feel gravity providing the resistance. As you let go, you can feel gravity helping bring your arms down. As you sit in your chair, gravity is holding you. Feel the relationship of your body to gravity, and maybe start tapping. Just as you feel you're together with gravity. I am together with gravity. Eyebrow, gravity has me in its embrace. Side of the eye, I'm working and dancing and moving my body with gravity. Under the eye, gravity is with me. Under the nose, gravity is reliable. Chin, I can even relax part of my body, like my jaw, and let gravity help. Collarbone, together with gravity, I can let my shoulders relax a bit and be pulled more to earth, together with gravity's help. Under the arm, I don't think much about gravity, and yet it's with me. Top of the head, I'm getting this sense of being with gravity in everything that I do. Take a deep breath. Make a sound if that's comfortable to you. And again, let gravity just do a little bit more for you. Maybe move a little bit, raise and lower a hand, and feel, yeah, I'm together with gravity. Our breath. Why do we breathe? Because there's things in the air that our body needs, requires, demands if we're short on it. So as you take a breath, maybe put your hand over the upper part of your chest and feel and recognize that right now you are with the air. Every breath you take is with the air. Breathing in, breathing out. And allow your awareness to be that this air is filled with nourishment for me. You need not only oxygen, but you need a certain amount of even carbon dioxide in the breath that you take. The balance of our air is really right for our organism. The amount of oxygen is incredibly stable. You don't have to worry about it for the most part. And even if breathing is a challenge for you, noticing how much you take in with each breath, how it goes into your bloodstream. And then as you exhale, molecules that used to be in you are now being carried away on the wind, things you don't need anymore. We are with the breath and the air. Tap, top of the head. I am with the air. Eyebrow. We're exchanging energy every minute. Side of the eye. The breath and I interact with the air all the time. Under the eye. I am together with the air. The nose. It's more intimate than I usually pay attention to. Chin. There are bits of me in the air all the time. Collarbone. There are bits of the air in me all the time. And the arm. I am together with the air, and it's together with me. Top of the head. I'm open to feeling less alone with every breath I take. Hmm. And if you are feeling drawn, take a sip of water if you have some. And imagine the journey that those molecules of H2O have been on, which brings us to trees and sun. The trees take in water from the sky. It pulls it up, uses it, and puts out vapor. The sun heats it. The sun evaporates from our lakes and rivers and oceans, puts water into our ecosystem, fresh water. And you're a part of that. You take in water, the vapor in your breath contribute. You take in moisture with every breath. Molecules that were once in you are now in trees and oceans and rivers. Pretty extraordinary, isn't it? Now, if you want to and you can, spend some time, go out, touch a tree, feel as you breathe, as you're aware of your blood having water, your tissues, every cell of you has water that was once in a tree, in a river, that there are nutrients that were created by the sun in every cell of you, including the ones that are in pain, the ones that you want relief. Top of the head. Water is in me. Eyebrow. Water that was once in a tree. Side of the eye. In the grass. Under the eye. In the flowers. Under the nose. In the plants and vegetables that I have eaten. Chin. I am a part of nature. all alone. I have at times felt all alone on the arm. At the core level, I am an integral part of nature. Um, that's a relief. That's really a relief to feel that together with. Take another breath. As you maybe rub your heart, know that there's water and minerals and things that were once in the earth that were brought up by plants that made their way into you and became cells and tissues and organs. And that is part of your journey to have more and more relief, recognizing this, that there's an exchange going on all the time, every moment between you and nature at a fundamental level. Reconnecting with that helps activate more of a healing exchange. Our relief is letting go of the feeling of being alone and having to do it all on our own, letting go of chemicals and energies and traumas and tensions and all of that. How do we do that? Well, we can do it through every breath we take, every movement. The dance with gravity can help us, like, let go of this tension in my shoulder. How? Let gravity be together with you and uh, release some of that. Yeah, it's a it's a wonderful and nourishing core practice. It balances your your nervous system, your endocrine system, your lymphatic system, all of your systems will have access to relief and release when you spend just a few minutes reconnecting with that togetherness we have with nature.